Hey, my name's Ollie and I came to the bike shed today on my newish 1979 XLH 1000 Ironhead. I picked the bike up only about a few weeks ago now. It was originally pretty stock, just all blacked out, and the main thing for me was I wanted it to be not just like every other Harley that you see knocking around the block. I just wanted it to be really rough and ready and make some simple changes to it. I've always loved making things, and I'd never actually done any fabrication or welding or metal work or any mechanics before. So I really just spent a lot of time Googling, a lot of time reading, and taught myself as much as I could. Turned my spare bedroom into the most ridiculous home workshop you've ever seen, with a TIG setup and a MIG setup and a bench and everything that's just designed to piss your girlfriend off, and just got practicing because I knew I wanted to start making some pipes myself. So I wanted to get to somewhere that I could start building anything that I wanted to. Really, I haven't done much to the bike, although it looks like I've done a little bit more. The simple stuff I've done is I stripped all the paint off and polished the shit out of it and buffed it up and clear coated it. Popped some old 20 style racing decals on it. Had one of my good friends down at a custom shop locally to do a little one-shot painting on the tail here to make it just a little bit more cheeky. As you'll guess, most of the time spent was on these pipes. I just got a real love for like old scramblers and old trackers, but it was never going to be really like a scrambler or tracker, but I love the high-end type pipes. And I just wanted to have loads of colour and loads of character in this sort of area here. The only other thing I did was pop some little drag bars on, because I'm always riding around like central London, traffic's really tight, so just wanted some really tight little neat bars. Yeah, so like I said, I've only had it for a few weeks, for a short period of time, but probably be a few more bits and bobs to come, but I think I'm going to leave it pretty simple for now. I'll give you a little sound, give you a little listen to her.